To family, welcome back to the video. I hope you guys are doing extremely well. So guys, in this video I will discuss 20 most important and most frequently asked MCQs of unit number 1, which is Introduction to Operating System and Process Management. So guys, I will bring two more videos of this subject code CSE316, because in this particular video I will discuss 20 most important MCQs of unit 1 only. If you guys want to see the important MCQs of unit 2 and unit 3 also, then you can refer to the description box where you will find a link of those videos also. Okay, so let's proceed with this videos without doing any late. But before starting the video, I want to confirm one thing to you guys, that I'm not guarantee you that all these 20 questions will be there in your midterm or interim examination. But as you know that 10 questions will be there from unit 1, and I can guarantee you that 5 to 6 MCQs will be there in your examination as it is, because all these 20 MCQs which I will show in this video has been picked up from your textbook, PPTs and online resources also. So the probabilities of these questions is higher, almost one you can say. So without doing any let's proceed with the first question of this session. First question is, what is an operating system? So option is interface between the hardware and application program, collection of programs that manages hardware resources, system service provider to the application programs. And D option is all of them mentioned. So the correct option of this question is, oh sorry, correct option of this question is D, all of them mentioned. Okay, so let's proceed with the next question. To access the second number question is, to access the service of the operating system, the interface is provided by what? Option is library, system call, assembly instruction, or APIs. Okay, so the correct option of this question is system calls. Okay, third number question is, which one of the following errors will be handled by the operating system? So this is a very easy question, a very common question which you can answer. So if you guys know the answer, please do not forget to comment below the answer, and I am going to show you the answer of this question, and answer of this question is D, all of them mentioned. Okay, next question is, if a process fails, most operating systems write the error information to a new file, another running process, log file, or none of the mentioned. The correct option is C, log file. Okay. Fifth number question of this series is, which one of the following is not a real-time operating system? So this is also a very common question. Option is RT Linux, Palm OS, QNX, or VxWorks. So the correct option is B, Palm OS is not a real-time operating system. Sixth number question is, in operating system, each process has its own dash. The option is open file, pending alarm signals and signal handlers, C, address space and global variables, and option number D is all of the mentioned. Okay, the correct option of this question is D, all of the mentioned. Seventh number question is, cascading termination refers to the termination of all child processes if the parent process terminates. Option is A. Option number A is abnormally or normally. B option is abnormally. C option is normally, and D option is none of the mentioned above. So guys, if you know the answer, please do not forget to comment below, and also do not forget to like the video if you guys are enjoy watching the videos. Okay, so the correct option of this question is A, normally or abnormally. Okay, the eighth number question of this series is, when a process is in a blocked state waiting for some input or output service, when the service is completed, it goes to the which state? This is also a very common question. Option is terminated state, suspended state, running state, or a ready state. So the correct option of this question is D, which is ready state. Okay. Ninth number question is the main memory accommodates what? CPU, user processes, operating system, or last option is D. All of them mentioned. So the correct option is D. All of the mentioned. Oh, sorry. The correct option of this question is C, which is operating system. Yeah, the correct option is D. It's right. Let's proceed with the next question. Next question is the operating system is responsible for option A, bad block recovery, booting from disk initialization, or D, all of the mentioned. So the correct option is D, which is all of the mentioned. Okay. So the next question of this series, which is 11th number question, is in real-time operating system, option number A, process scheduling can be done only once. All processes have the same priority. Kernel is not required. And the last option is a task must be serviced by its deadline period. So the correct option of this question is D. A task must be serviced by its deadline period. Okay. So let's proceed with the 12th number question, which is hard real-time operating system has dash jitter than a soft real-time operating system. So the correct option of this question is C, which is less. Okay. So wait. We need to cover a 13 number question. And okay, wait, what is happening? Oh, wait a minute, guys, wait a minute. Wait. So please ignore, we can ignore these lines. Let's ignore this. Okay. And proceed with the 13th number question. Wait a minute. 13th number question is in operating system each process. Okay. This is the 6th number question. Sorry. 13th number question. Yeah. This is the 13th number question. 13th number question is the priority of a process will be dash if the scheduler assign it's a static priority. So the correct option of this question is C, which is remains unchanged. Oh, sorry for this glitch. Please ignore it. Okay. So 14th number question is what is happening here? Wait a minute. I need to fix it. Wait a minute. Wait, guys. Why it is not erasing here? Oh, wait, guys. Wait. Just sorry for this glitch. I'm I'm not sure why this is happening. This is the first time happening with me. Okay, wait. Why it's not erasing here? It is so irritating. Let's try to fix it. Okay, I can use a white color highlighter, For okay, 1 minute. Yeah, I found white color highlighter. Okay. Oh, it is not erasing. How it is possible? I don't know why. What is happening? Wait a minute, guys. Wait a minute. You can skip 10 or 20 seconds if you guys are feeling bored. Okay. Okay. I don't know, guys, why it is not working, but wait. Okay, it will start working. I found. Wait. I don't know what is happening exactly. Even lasso tool is not working here. It should work. What is not working? Okay, guys, please wait a minute. Wait a minute. Please let me restart it. Let me restart. Let me restart. Okay. Okay, so where we are? Okay. So we need to discuss 13 number question. So third. Okay, wait a minute. Wait. Huh. Yeah, now it's fine. So the 13th number question is the priority of a process will dash if the scheduler assign it a static priority. Okay. So the correct option of this question is C, which is remain unchanged. 14th number question is the process control block, which is PCB, does not contain which one of the following? Answer is option is code, stack, bootstrap program or data. So the correct option of this question is C, bootstrap program. Okay. 15th number question is the state of a process is defined by what? A final activity of a process. Option B, the activity just executed by the process. Option C, the activity to next be executed by the process. Option D, the current activity of the process. So the correct option of this question is option number D, the correct activity of the process. 16th number question is which is the process control block? Sorry, what is PCB? What is process control block? Option number A, process type variable. Option number B, data structure. Option number C, secondary storage creation section or block in a memory. So the correct option is B, which is data structure. So PCB is a data structure, not a process type variable or not a block in a memory. Okay. 17th number question is a single thread of control allow the process to perform what? Only one task at a time, multiple tasks at a time, only two tasks at a time, or option number D, all of the mentioned. So the correct option of this question is A, only one task at a time. Okay. So the 18th number question is copying a process from memory to disk to allow a space for other processes is called what? So the correct option of this question is option number 2, which is swapping. So let's discuss the second last question. Second last question is context switching and sharing are advantage of threads or disadvantage of threads, non-relevant, and option number D is none of the above. So the correct answer of this question is A, advantage of threads. And the last question of this entire session is an example of an operating system that does not have a well-defined structure. So guys, I hope this is a very simple question. You can answer it in a second. So please do not forget to comment below the answer of this question. And by the way, I am going to show the answer of this question, which is option number D. MS-DOS is not an operating system which have a well-defined structure. Okay. So thank you so much guys for watching this entire session, and please ignore that glitch which has been happened in between the video. Okay, so thank you so much for watching the video. Thank you so much guys. Thank you.